So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the new problem which is rating system. So it is quite interesting problem. What we have to do is that we are given a rating system in which initial player's rating is 0 and there are n matches. After ith match the rating is increased by AI. So we have to find a optimal value of k such that if a player reaches the value of k, it can't decrease the rating by k even after the new rating AI is negative. So I will show you some test case, that is 3 2 3 minus 2 1 and 2. So here we can choose a optimal rating as 3, because if we choose k equal to 3, then when it is having currently rating as 0, first it will increase its rating by 3, so it will become 3. Now afterwards it will try to increase its rating by minus 2, but if we have create a barrier here that rating can't be decreased below 3, so it will remain 3 even after it is increasing by minus 2. So then it will increase by 1, so it will become 4, and then it will increase by 2, then by which it will become 6. So this is the optimal value of 3 by which we will get the maximum rating at the end. So what could be the possible solution, or how could we approach this problem? So what we can do, we can visualize this problem as a graphical representation of rating. Suppose this is a graph of the current rating the player is having. So first it is having this particular rating, then it is increased, then it is decreased, then again it is increased, then it is decreased, then again. So these are the points where it is increasing or decreasing its rating, right? So these are the particular rating value. So we can visualize as what could be the value of rating b. Suppose this was initially 0, this was a rating of 4 maybe, this is a rating of 6, this is the rating of 8. So what here initially a will be, so a will be 4 here, because initially it was 0 and a of 0 was 4, that's why it has increased its rating to 4. Now we have to make a horizontal line which will denote our optimal value of k, because if we draw any line horizontal to it, so we can visualize is at whenever it goes crosses this horizontal line at particular level, then it can't decrease its rating below that line. We can say it as a barrier line. So this is a barrier line. What is denotes? It is just denoting that after crossing this barrier line, it will not decrease its rating below that barrier line. Okay, so how we can proceed after this? So what we have to find the optimal horizontal line could be. So the observation here is that the line can't be above the maximum current rating or below the current rating, because if we draw this, if we suppose this is the barrier line, it will never gonna cross that barrier line and never eventually intercept between this rating level, and below that the minimum rating, the barrier line is also never gonna cross that. So the first observation here is that the barrier line should be always between the maximum rating possible or minimum rating possible. That is the first thing, right? And so what we can do next, we can also think that if we try to make a barrier line at the minimum position, then also it is not profitable for us, because although we make a line at the minimum level, it is not going to interfere with that barrier line, because it is always going to increase that rating after that barrier line, right? So if we keep a barrier line at maximum point, so we will get the maximum rating at this particular point. Suppose this was 8, so the rating will never gonna fall below 8, so we will get a maximum rating of 8 here. So this was second observation, but can we do better? Is there any other option that we can get the maximum rating above 8, or above the maximum rating possible if we didn't choose a barrier line? So the observation here is that if we choose any such maximum and minimum possible, such as it was 6 and here it was -2, suppose if we choose this particular k is equal to 6 as barrier line, so it will never gonna fall below 6, and what will it eventually do? It will just find the next value whenever it is going to increase this particular graph. What I mean to say is that, so currently it was having 0, then it increased to 4, then it again decreased to 0, then it increased to 6. Okay, that's clear. Now after this it is going to decrease only, but we know that we have kept a barrier line here, so it will never gonna decrease the value. When only when it will increase its value whenever there is a increase option. I hope you are getting what I am trying to tell. So by this particular point it will going to increase its value, right? So what eventually will happen, it will try to go at this point particular 6, and after this point it will try to make its graph above. Like if we, so this was the point where the rating was 6, and after reaching this particular point it will try to increase its value. Suppose this was how much, it was -2 and this was 4, so it has increased its value by 6, so again it will increase the value of 6, then again it's decreased the value by 4, so the graph will look like this. What is eventually happened, it has shifted the graph above by this much level. So what will happen if the final rating was this, so the final rating will eventually shift above by this maximum and the minimum distance. So what you have to do, you have to find the maximum minus the minimum difference between any two particular points in the rating system. Means the maximum value should occur first and minimum value should occur next. So after this it will try to just shift the graph above by that particular difference, and by that we will get the maximum rating at the final position. This was all about the crux of the problem. So if you have any doubt, you can rewind this video and try to visualize it on your own. I will show you the code how we can find the maximum minus minimum difference. It is easy. So first we will take the maximum rating possible at any point, and curve will denote what is our current rating, and answer will denote the answer, and maximum difference is the maximum difference we can get. So we will just have a current value which will just denoting what's our current is going on, and then the maximum will store what's the maximum till now. Okay, and if the maximum difference is still less than the difference we are getting till now, that if suppose we reach this point and the maximum difference we can reach is this current position minus this maximum, which current initially the maximum was this, but now maximum difference we are getting this particular step, so we will increment our maximum difference, and we say that the barrier line should be at this particular maximum level, and we will print the answer at last. I hope you get the intuition behind the problem. You can rewind the video and watch it several times if you didn't get. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.